11 times 21. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is decompose 11 into 10 and 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. I decompose it based on place value. 110, 1, 1. Same thing here, except this has two 10s and a 1. So that's going to be 20 plus 1. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put that there. All right, 20 plus 1. And so I'm going to have two rods and a unit. So let's get started. Now we're going to do this section 10 times this section 20. Now you might be thinking, I don't know what 10 times 20 is. Well, you might. Let's do it one section at a time. I know 10 times this 10 is going to be 100. And then I know that 10 times this 10 is going to be 100. So 10 times 20 was 200. Check this out. And then we got to do 10 times 1. And that's going to be easy. 10 times 1 is 10. Wait. Okay, you see how this doesn't fit here? Something's not right. But I do know that 10 times 1 is 10, so I just need to turn it. So, oh, look at that. All right, now we're good. Now we're good. Just like I told you before, you should know the answer looks right because it should fit perfectly. We want it lined up with this 1 and with this long rod right here. So there we go. Next, I got to do 1 times this 20. 1 times 20, well, that's just going to be 20. 20 down here, and then one group of 1. One group of 1, well, that's just gonna be 1, and it fits nice and perfect. Yes, yes. Here we go. Let's find the answer. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 231. Oh yeah, man, multiplication has never been so easy. Let's do one more. 14 times 12. We want 14 groups of 12. So let's get started. I'm going to decompose 14 into 10 plus 4. And that's 1 rod and 4 ones. Boom. Now I'm going to decompose 12. 12 will decompose into 10 plus 2. That means I got 1 rod and 2 units. Sweet. So let's go ahead and get started with our multiplying. 10 times 10, 100. 10 times 2, 20. Good stuff. 4 times 10, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. And then 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. And again, it fits nice and perfect. We wanted 14 groups of 12. 14 groups of 12. Well, here's 10, 11, 12, 10, 11, 12. So that's 1 group of 12, 2 groups of 12, 3 groups of 12, all the way down to 13 groups of 12, 14 groups of 12. We have our 14 groups of 12. So let's figure out how much that equals. We know this is 100, 100, 110, 120. 130, 140, 150, 160. Now we can count by ones. 161, 162, 163, 164, 65, 66, 67, 168. Yeah, 168 coming at you, boy. Let's go. Congratulations. I think you got this.